Good day, my name is Demartin Yabre, and today I will show you how distribution and sorting station works. So first, we need to activate the work station. And when there is a workpiece detected by the diffusion sensor, it will energize the station. So, in this station, the distribution station, if the workpieces are detected, conveyor and stopper is energized by the diffusion sensor. Then, if the stopper stops in 2 seconds, after 2 seconds in time running, the workpiece is passed in the true beam sensor. The true beam sensor will deactivate the conveyor. So, if there is a workpiece and a magazine, the diffusion sensor will detect it and it will energize the cylinder. If there is a workpiece in both magazine and the conveyor, if the workpiece is detected in the diffusion sensor, the stopper and the cylinder will not activate it. If the stopper were not activated, then the cylinder will be activated. In the sorting station, the black workpiece will directly turn slide. And if the workpiece is pink in sorting station, the workpiece will go to the first slide. And if the workpiece is metallic, the silver, the data sensor on the metal cover will go to the second slide.